am Vinit Kumar, working as Divisional Forest Officer, Nandyal Wildlife Division. So this division is a part of Nagarjuna Srisalam Tiger Reserve and also incorporates the critical corridor, which is crucial for the movement of tigers from NSTR to Sri Venkateshwara National Park in Seshachalam Hills. The tiger numbers are growing in NSTR, and it is a matter of pride for NSTR as well as the AP state. This success has been achieved because of the day and night effort of the frontline staff of the forest department. However, there has been a bigger force in this success story, and that has been the involvement of the local Chenchu tribals. So Chenchus, I can say Chenchus are the children of the forest. They are the original inhabitants of the Nallamalai Hills. Chenchus are a primitive tribal groups. They are living in the deep interior of the forest areas, and they are basically having a very simple lifestyle, which is still dependent on gathering food from the forest area. They collect NTFP from the forest and roam in the forest for their daily needs. Since many years, Chenchus are living with wild animals in a symbiotic relationship. Landscape of NSTR, that is Nallamalai Hills, is totally covered with the presence of the Chenchu. So considering this, any conservation measure cannot be successful unless and until local tribals are involved. Forest Department Government of Andhra Pradesh has employed Chenchus as protection watchers in the base camps. These Chenchus are residing in the base camps, which are located in the deep interior of the forest areas, similar to how they usually live in the forest.
దీంట్లో చేరినాక పిల్లలం కొద్దిగా కడుపు నిండా చెప్పినాం సార్.
నా పేరు నాగలక్ష్మి. మా ఆయన ఫస్ట్ కొండలు తిరుగుతున్నాడు. కొండ బంక తేనె ఉసిరికాయలు చేస్తున్నాడు. అప్పుడు చాలా కష్టంగా ఉన్నది. బాగానే ఉంటున్నాను.
Second, the most important thing is that how their daily activity schedule is similar to that. They are every day patrolling in the forest areas, and whatever the animal movements they are coming across, they are checking all the vulnerable routes, they are checking all the patrolling tracks and water bodies and everything they are checking as part of their daily patrolling schedule. So it is similar to something similar to their lifestyle, how they roam around the forest areas for their NTFP collection. This has been a win-win situation for both the department and as well as the conservation and Chenchus also. Apart from this, Chenchus, even though they are a primitive tribal group, they have very well adapted to uses of technology for the conservation. Every track and every movement they are keeping a log with the M-Stripes mobile app. This primitive lifestyle of Chenchus has been a real game changer in the protection of the tigers. They are following their daily schedule, yet they are assisting the forest department in monitoring the area. Also, they are keeping an eye on the outsiders' movement in the forest areas. So, overall, I can say that Chenchus are the real driving force behind the conservation success story in the Nagarjuna Srisalam Tiger Reserve.
పులి ఉండడం వల్లనే మాకు ఇట్లా జాబ్ ఉంది సార్. దీనివల్ల మాకు లైఫ్ ఇట్లా నిలబడిపోయింది. మా సార్లు కూడా బాగా కాపాడుతున్నారు. పులిలను కాపాడే బాధ్యత మాకు.
Forest Department is also providing basic amenities to the Chenchu protection watchers who are staying in the base camps. This is mainly to help them assist in performing their duties. It's a great happiness for us that we have also found a separate breeding population for tigers in corridor area. The result of this can be seen in the improving tiger numbers as well as the peaceful coexistence of the animals with the people in the forest.